Hello students, a warm welcome to all of you at AriserTalent. So, how are you all? I hope you are doing absolutely good. So, we have started our chapter of the physics class 10 that is about the electricity, and until now we have discussed about a lot of terms. Firstly, we have seen about the electric charges, their properties. Then we have a discussion about the electric current, what will be the direction, what will be the unit of electric current, and how the flow of charges will take place in any conductor or any metallic wire. Now, let's do a simple question on electric current. So, let's do a question here. So, take an example here that suppose a wire is drawing a current of 0.5 ampere in 10 minutes. And you have to calculate amount of charge flowing in the circuit. So this is the question we have given. A wire is drawing a current of 0.5 ampere. So let us write the given conditions first. So what are the given condition here? The given condition is we have given a current of 0.5 ampere. I is equal to 0.5 ampere in 10 minutes. Again we have given a time equal to 10 minutes. And what I have to calculate? I have to calculate the amount of charge. It means I have to calculate the Q. So these are the given conditions we have provided with. So first of all, we will check the given conditions, either they are on standard units or not. Current is ampere, that is the standard unit we have. Time is given in minutes, but we have to consider the time in seconds. So what I have to do, if I am converting minutes into second, I have to multiply it by 60. So it came out to be 600 seconds. So it came out to be 600 seconds. Now, what is current? Current is defined as the amount of charge flowing per unit time. So the basic equation we have is I equal to Q upon T. I is equal to Q upon T. This is the formula for calculating the current we have. But if I want to calculate the charge from this formula, what I have to do? I have to multiply both these terms. So the formula came out to be Q equal to IT. Now, what is the value of current here? Current here is 0.5. And time here is 600 seconds. It is 600 seconds. So shifting one point from here, 1 0 will be cancelled by 1 0, and it came out to be 300. And the unit of charge will be coulomb. So our final answer will be Q equal to 300 coulomb. So this is how you can calculate by using such simple formulas. So these are the very basic questions from your topic, that is current. Now, let us move to the next topic of the discussion we have. In our previous lecture, we have defined a term that is electric potential, but we do not have a much discussion about that term. So today we are going to start about the electric potential, but before that, we will also introduce a new term that is about the electric field. Now, ये electric field क्या होता है? So, electric field actually एक ऐसा region है, it is a region around a charge in which any charge will experience either the force of attraction or repulsion. किसी region में हमने किसी charge को place किया, अब कितना amount of repulsion और कितना amount of attraction वो feel करेगा, तो electric field वो region है. और कितना amount of repulsion और attraction वो assume करेगा या वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा, वो कहलाएगा उसकी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज अ रीजन एंड द स्ट्रेंथ विल बी गिवन बाय द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड intensity. So let's discuss about the electric field here. So our next topic is about electric field. So electric field is defined as a reason around a charge. It is defined as a reason around a charge in which that charge feels force of attraction or repulsion. इट मीन्स अगर हमने किसी रीजन में किसी चार्ज को प्लेस किया है तो अगर वो उस रीजन में फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शन को फील करेगा तो वो क्या कहलाएगा, हमारा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. अब उसने कितना अमाउंट ऑफ मतलब कितना फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शन मेजर किया या एक्सपीरियंस किया, वो टर्म जो डिफाइन करती है फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. सो व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी हियर? Electric field intensity is a force experienced per unit charge. It means it is amount of force experienced per unit charge. किसी भी चार्ज ने कितना फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस किया वो कहलाएगी उसकी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. नाउ जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी होती है हमारी, दैट इज सपोज आई एम टेकिंग अ सिंबल E हियर, दिस E विल बी रिटन एज F upon Q naught. It means force per unit charge. So this is our force and this is our charge. So this will give you the strength of electric field intensity we have. Now, if I am going to find out the unit for the electric field intensity, for the force we have a standard unit that is called Newton, and for the charge we have a unit that is Coulomb. So I can write that force will be written as Newton and this charge can be written as Coulomb. So the unit of electric field intensity came out to be Newton per Coulomb. So unit of electric field intensity will be Newton per Coulomb. So this is about the unit of electric field intensity. Now this electric field intensity is actually a vector quantity, because if you want to find out the strength of an electric field, you must have an idea about its direction. So I can say that electric field is a scalar quantity. It means it has magnitude and direction both. Electric field is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity and it is having both magnitude as well as direction. It means it is both having magnitude and direction. So this is the another important factor, that electric field is our vector quantity. So this is all about the discussion of electric field we have. Now came to the main point that we are going to discuss now, that is about the electric potential. Now what we have discussed in the electric potential till now, it means if I have to occur or I have to promote the flow of electric charges, अगर हमें electric charges को flow करवाना है, it means एक body का higher potential पे रहना ज़रूरी है और दूसरी body का lower potential पे. अगर उन दोनों bodies में potential difference होगा तभी क्या होगा, electric current flow करेगा. लेकिन अगर उसमें कोई potential difference नहीं है तो कभी कोई electric current flow नहीं करेगा. Now electric potential को समझने के लिए हम एक basic example लेते हैं. So let us take a basic example here. So what will be our next point? Our next point is regarding electric potential. Now let us consider an example of the flowing water here. Now अगर हम एक ट्यूब में वाटर को फिल करें तो क्या वो अपने आप फ्लो करेगा? ट्यूब में रखा हुआ वाटर अपने आप फ्लो नहीं करेगा. अगर हमें उस वाटर को फ्लो करवाना है तो अगर हमारे पास कोई हमने ट्यूब कंसिडर की है तो एक साइड में प्रेशर ज्यादा होना चाहिए और दूसरी साइड में प्रेशर कम होना चाहिए. इट मीन्स अगर दोनों में प्रेशर डिफरेंस होगा तभी कहीं से वाटर फ्लो करेगा. Similar with the case we have observed in the pipe, and similar on the similar concepts the river currents are originated. It means अगर दोनों एंड्स के बीच में कोई ना कोई प्रेशर डिफरेंस है तभी वाटर फ्लो करेगा. इट मीन्स अगर हमें किसी भी चीज को फ्लो करवाना है तो वहां पर कुछ ना कुछ डिफरेंस होना चाहिए. तो अगर वहां पर वाटर के प्रेशर में डिफरेंस है तभी वाटर फ्लो करेगा. अगर हम चार्जेस की बात करें तो अगर इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस के प्रेशर में डिफरेंस होगा तभी करंट फ्लो करेगा और उन इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस के प्रेशर के डिफरेंस को हम क्या बोलते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. सो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल जब होगा तभी करंट फ्लो करेगा, अदरवाइज नहीं करेगा. और इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल होने के लिए one body must be capped at a higher potential and one body must be capped at a lower potential. Now electric potential is usually denoted by the symbol V, and by the symbol V, V is for volt, which is its basic unit, and it is given by after a name of an Italian physics that is known as the Alexandra Volta. Alexandra Volta के नाम पे हमने इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की यूनिट जो डिफाइन की है वो V की है. Now इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल होता क्या है? इट इज डिफाइंड एज द अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज और अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन इन ब्रिंगिंग अ यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट, फ्रॉम एन इंफिनिटी टू दैट पॉइंट इन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. सो सबसे पहले इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की डेफिनेशन कि इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल होता क्या है. Electric potential is defined as a amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point in electric field. किसी यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को इन्फिनिटी से उस पॉइंट तक लाने में जो वर्क डन होगा वो कहलाएगा हमारा इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, और इसको हम डिनोट करते हैं सिंबल V से. What will be the symbol for electric potential? The symbol for electronic potential will be, it is denoted by symbol V. इसको हम डिनोट करेंगे सिंबल V से. और what will be the unit for electric potential? The unit for electric potential will be volt. Unit will be volt. Unit of electric potential is volt. Now, why the name volt has been given? It has been given after the name of the Italian physics that is known as Alexandra Volta. So, its name was designated, or its unit has been given after a name of Italian physics known as Alexandra Volta. That's why the unit volt has been given. This is the name of the physics we have. Now, this is about the symbol of the electric potential we have. We have discussed about the unit of the electric potential. Now, what will be the basic formula for electric potential? So, let's discuss about the formula here. So, the fourth point will be formula. So, the formula for electric potential we can found out by, we know that it is designated by a symbol V. It is denoted by the symbol V, and it is basically the amount of work done. What we are saying? Amount of work done. So, it is actually the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge. What we are bringing? Work done in bringing a unit positive charge. So, it came out to be V equal to W by Q. This is the formula for electric potential we have. It means amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point in the electric field. Now, can you tell me what is the unit of work? Work की क्या unit होती है? Work की unit होती है joule, because work is a form of energy we have. तो energy की unit joule, तो work की unit भी क्या होगी? Joule. And what is the unit of charge? We have discussed that the unit of charge will be coulomb. So, work की unit होगी हमारे पास joule और charge की unit होगी हमारे पास में coulomb. So, the unit of electric potential is defined as a joule per coulomb, and joule per coulomb is known as volt. So, its unit will be joule per coulomb, or joule per coulomb is called as a volt. Now, a question arises here, when will be the electrical potential called as a 1 volt? हम कब कहेंगे कि electric potential 1 volt है? It means the electric potential is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in bringing a 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to that point in the electric field. 1 volt electric potential कब कहलाएगा? Electric potential is said to be 1 volt if work done is 1 joule in bringing a charge of 1 coulomb. It means if entire quantities are 1, 1, 1, we can say that the electric potential will be 1. So, this is about the formula of electric potential we have. Now, let's discuss about the potential difference. Potential difference क्या होता है? So, you can copy it from here. So, we can proceed to the next point we have. Now, let's discuss about the potential difference here. So our next topic will be about potential difference. Now suppose I am considering here, this is our point P. This is our point P, and on this point P I have placed a charge Q. Now I am considering the 2 points here, that is point A and this is point B. You can see that these 2 points are closer to each other. A and B are taken as a closer to each other. Now this is our point where I am bringing a unit positive charge. Suppose I am bringing a charge of plus Q. And this plus Q charge is brought from infinity. I am again repeating, I have taken a system in which at point P I have taken a charge Q and I have taken a 2 points A and B which are quite closer to each other. Now this small amount of positive charge, that is plus Q, I am bringing from infinity. अगर हम infinity से इस small amount of positive charge को यहाँ पर लाकर रखेंगे तो it means इन दोनों ends पे potential difference create होगा. So जो point A पे potential difference होगा वो कहलाएगा VA, potential at point A, and if we have point B, then potential at point B will be VB. So these are the potential at 2 points. Then the potential difference between 2 points will be written as VB minus VA. So I can write that potential difference will be VB minus VA, and these 2 potential differences can be written as potential difference is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge. So it came out to be W upon Q minus W upon Q naught. So this is the potential difference we will observe at both the ends. We can write it as VA minus VB. So the value of VA minus VB here will give you the potential difference. So this is what? This is our potential difference. And it is having a same unit, that is volt. So this is about the potential difference we have. So I hope these 2 terms are clear to you, that what is potential and what is potential difference. Now let us move to the next topic we have, that is about the electrical symbols we have. We have seen that for drawing a circuit we need electrical symbols. So let's check here what are the symbols for various components, and it is very essential to draw the electric circuit as well as. So let's draw the symbol of the circuits here. So now let us draw the symbols for various electrical objects we are taking to draw a circuit. Electrical symbols are basically used for drawing the electric circuit because the components we cannot draw as like they are. So let us check what are the symbols for here. So our next topic is regarding electrical symbols. So here we will write about the name of component and here we will write the symbol of that component. Let us draw first, that is the basic one, symbol of the cell that we have drawn in the circuit we have. So, first component we have is cell. So, what will be the symbol of cell? The cell will be simply drawn as one large terminal and one small terminal. That is positive one, that is negative one. So, this is the symbol of cell we have. Now, what will be our next component? The next component we have is a battery. Now, battery का symbol कैसा होगा? बैटरी जो होती है वो कॉम्बिनेशन होती है सेल्स का. इट मीन्स अगर हम बहुत सारे सेल्स को लाइन से कनेक्ट कर दें तो दे विल गोइंग टू फॉर्म अ बैटरी. तो बैटरी का सिंबल क्या होगा हमारे पास? इट विल बी लाइक दिस. This will be the symbol for battery. It means many cells are connected together. So this will be our second system or the second component we have. Now, what is the third component we have? The third component we have is bulb. Now, the symbol for bulb we can draw as like this. Bulb can be drawn like this. The fourth symbol we have is regarding wire. Wire का symbol हम कैसे बनाएंगे? Simply we will take a wire as a long straight line. This is our wire. Now, the fifth component we have is when there is a joint in the wire. So, वायर जॉइंट. वायर जॉइंट को हम कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे? सपोज देयर इज अ जॉइंट इन द वायर, वी विल डिस्क्राइब इट एज लाइक दिस. Now, these are the some symbols we have seen. We have many more symbols here. So, again divide it into the two categories we have. Some symbols I am writing here because we have a less space here. Now, let us take the next component. After the wire joint, we can see that we have a resistor in a circuit. So, how will the resistor be described? So, resistor can be Resistor can be drawn like this. This is a symbol for resistor we have. We can draw the resistor like this. Now, if this resistor is variable, if we have variable resistor is known as rheostat. It is known as rheostat. And how I can draw the variable resistor? We can draw it into the two simpler ways. One is like this, or we can draw it like this. So, these are the two symbols of the resistor we have, that is called rheostat. Now, the eighth component I have is ammeter. Now, how we will draw the ammeter? Ammeter can be drawn as like this. This is a symbol for ammeter. Now, the ninth component we have is voltmeter. Now, how we will draw the voltmeter? Voltmeter will be similarly drawn likewise. This is the symbol for voltmeter. Now what we have used in the circuit, we have also used keys in the circuit. So our 10th component will be about the keys, or we can say switch. We have the two conditions here. One कि switch जब on होगा और दूसरा जब switch off होगा. So अगर हमारा switch on होगा तो we will press the key, और अगर switch off होगा तो we will draw like this. So this is our key on and this is our key off. नेक्स्ट सिंबल जो है हमारे पास वो है फ्यूज. हम सर्किट में फ्यूज भी यूज करते हैं, तो फ्यूज के लिए हमारे पास क्या सिंबल है? सो द 11th component we have is fuse. So how can I draw the fuse? Fuse can be drawn as this. This is a symbol for fuse we have. Now if we have many connections and we have to jump the wires, so connections in the wire can be drawn as, last one is connecting wires. If we have so many wires in the circuit, how can we draw them? I am just drawing the here. Let us check the 12th component here. Connecting wires can be drawn as, suppose we have the two wires here, so we can draw the another wire as like a jumping one. It means two wires can be connected by this symbol. So this will be the 12th symbol, that is of the connecting wire I have drawn here. So these are few of the symbols. So copy these symbols from here because these symbols are very essential to learn for drawing any electrical circuit. So this lecture is over for today. In this lecture we have discussed about the electric field, electric potential and about few symbols. Now we will deal with many more topics in our next lecture. Thank you so much and have a nice day.